What up fam, this is the Fortunate Talisman doing another test around in Skyrim. We're testing out this audio to see which one's better through Audacity or through Shadowplay. Shadowplay for some reason seems to have, it's either the rain creating the static or maybe it's some kind of interference from the microphone. But either way, it sounds like crap through Shadowplay. So we're going to have to do it through Audacity now. See what Telka has to say.
Try not to judge Falkreath too harshly, visitor. The war has been hard on us.
Okay. Whoa! It's a jumping cow here.
I hope.
Yep, staying real safe thanks to you. Lazy bastard. Who's this? What are you doing?
Falkreath is a hard place, and tending a farm here is thankless work.
I don't see you tending a farm. I see you slacking off. Get back to work. What's this? Who are you? Cust. What kind of name is Cust?
Strangers like you bring war. I've seen enough war.
Are you insulting me, boy? Just for that, I'm gonna bring some war to you. Just for insulting me by saying I bring war to people. Sick him, dog. Come on, turn around. He's right here. He's right here. Look at his dumb face. No, you're just gonna stand there? Alright. We're not adding another body to the cemetery today. Let's go somewhere else. Here. Come on, doggy. Where are you? Yeah, come on. Here's my companion. Why does he look like he's super high? Why is your eyes red? What have you been doing while I was gone? Alright, let's keep going. Let's see if we can take on some, First of all, let's see what happens if I kill this goat. Punk? What'd you say to me? Oh shoot! The guards are after me. What did it say about the weapon recharge? Shoot! Ah, you freaking bastard.